How's it going, traders? Welcome to the video. Alright, today we're going to compare Bitcoin and Coinbase. I think that the Bitcoin chart is pointing to a bounce in Coinbase in the coming days. So taking a look at the Coinbase chart here on the left, you can see that we have this trend line, which is made by connecting these two pivots, and we have this support level, which is made by connecting that pivot with this little pivot right here. And you can see we have this area on the chart where both of these factors converge. Now let's take a look at the chart on the right. On Coinbase, you can see how we have something very similar. We have a trend line made by connecting these two pivots, and we have a horizontal support level made by connecting this little range here with this little pivot right here. And sure enough, we get an area where both of these things converge, which, just like Bitcoin, is going to be a really strong level of support, and more than likely we're going to get a bounce from this level. And zoomed in, you can clearly see our converging levels and how price is just trading above it right now. So more than likely, we're going to see something very similar to Bitcoin here, where we get a move down into this and a bounce. And from that bounce, more than likely, we will get a gap fill. So price is going to trade up into the gap fill, and then more than likely a move down where it retests this trend line. Now, if it breaks through this trend line, we can expect continuation lower. But if price manages to stay above this trend line, then we know that the bullish thesis is still intact. And one last thing, so this level right here is actually at $300, which is going to be a psychological level. And all that means is when you have even numbers like 100, 200, or even something like 50, it's a psychological level. It kind of acts as support in a way. It's an even whole number, and typically you get a lot of buying at that level or a lot of selling. So it is a psychological level. All right, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like and subscribe. Thank you.